Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best dual-fuel stove is probably one of the most versatile and practical cooking solutions for outdoor enthusiasts, offering the flexibility to use both liquid fuel and gas, making them perfect for various adventures from car camping to backpacking, ensuring you're always prepared for any cooking situation, regardless of fuel availability. And this video will guide you through everything you need to know before buying one. Number 5. Gas 1GS 3400P Camping Stove. This versatile stove is perfect for camping or emergencies. It runs on both propane and butane fuel, offering great flexibility. It easily switches between butane and propane. You'll be ready for any situation with this dual-fuel design. This stove features a convenient piezoelectric ignition. No more struggling with lighters or matches. It's incredibly easy to use, with an adjustable heat dial for precise temperature control. Cooking has never been easier. Safety features include a pressure sensor and gas flow cutoff mechanism. It will automatically eject the cartridge if irregular pressure is detected. It comes with a carrying case for easy transport and storage. Take it with you wherever your adventures may lead. What we like. It offers unmatched flexibility with both butane and propane. The automatic ignition is super convenient, eliminating the need for matches. If you prioritize safety and versatility, this is the stove for you, especially for emergencies or unpredictable fuel availability. What people say. It seems well built for a camp stove. This thing can pump out a good amount of heat. I've used it on a couple camping trips and mainly used it for boiling water and heating up food in a pan. Brings water in my aluminum kettle to a boil very quickly. Portable. Comes in a nice black plastic carry case for your carry-to-car convenience. Number 4. Grill Boss Dual Fuel Stove. It seamlessly works with both butane and propane cylinders. A handy adapter makes switching fuel sources quick and easy, so you're ready for anything. Say goodbye to matches. Its automatic piezo ignition system starts instantly with just a click, providing a reliable flame every time. This compact stove is perfect for any adventure. Its lightweight design and protective case make it easy to pack and transport. Attach your fuel, twist the knob, and listen for the click. It's designed for user-friendly operation and includes safety features for peace of mind. It has an automatic gas shutoff for added safety. Always follow the instructions for optimal performance and safe cooking. From camping trips to emergency situations, it's the reliable cooking companion you can always count on. Enjoy delicious meals wherever your adventures take you. What we like. This stove seamlessly switches between butane and propane fuels. The automatic ignition system makes lighting a breeze. If you're looking for a lightweight and portable option for camping or hiking, this is a great choice, perfect for adventurers on the go. What people say. Compact and works great. Canoed the Colorado River by Moab for 4 days and used it for meals and hot drinks. Yes, the case is flimsy, yes, the materials feel cheap and lightweight, and yes, it works like a champ. I cook Japanese shanpuru or other Asian stir-fry or curries several times a week and got annoyed that the new house has an electric range preventing me from using my woks. This little guy heats up fast with butane and cooks with efficiency. I purchased the stove for emergency use. With a propane tank it hooked up easily, started right up, and produced a nice hot flame. Gets super hot, also simmers well. Number 3. Camplux Dual Fuel Stove. It runs on both propane and butane canisters, giving you flexibility on the go. Enjoy powerful and reliable heating, no matter where your adventures take you. Your safety is our priority. It's CSA certified, and features built-in safety mechanisms like overpressure and gas leak protection. Weighing just 3.31 pounds and including a handy carrying case, it's the perfect companion for any outdoor adventure. Take it anywhere with ease. Say goodbye to matches and lighters. It boasts a convenient piezoelectric ignition system for quick and easy startup. Simply turn the knob and you're ready to cook. It comes complete with a CSA-certified gas regulator for propane canisters, a protective carrying case, and a detailed instruction manual. Everything you need for a successful camping trip. Before each use, Please perform a leak test using soapy water. Check all connections for bubbles or gas leaks. If you find any, do not use it and contact us for assistance. What we like. It's compatible with both butane and propane canisters. The stove has obtained CSA certification, ensuring safety. If you need a portable and safe stove for camping or emergencies, and value safety certifications, this is an excellent option. What people say. It's quite sturdy and is a nice size. I tried it over the weekend winter camping in my new tent and it worked great. The butane bottle is installed inside of the stove so you only need enough room for the burner itself. The flame was easily adjustable and the auto start worked on the first try. It's compact, portable, and easy to set up and use. Number 2. SHINESTAR Dual Fuel Stove. It runs on both butane and propane, giving you fuel flexibility wherever your adventures take you. Just attach the included adapter hose and you're ready to go. With a powerful 7,800 BTU output, it boils 4 cups of water in only 5 minutes. That's fast heating for your outdoor meals. It features a reliable auto-ignition system, so you can light it effortlessly without matches or lighters. It's designed for thousands of uses. Your safety is our priority. It has a cartridge ejection system, safety lock, and automatic shut-off for peace of mind while cooking. It's highly portable and comes with a convenient carrying case for easy transport and storage. Enjoy cooking wherever you go. The porcelain-coated grate is removable for quick and easy cleaning. Keeping it clean is simple and straightforward. What we like. It efficiently uses butane and propane canisters. Boasting a high BTU output, it boils water quickly. If you need a powerful and safe stove for fast cooking in the outdoors, this is perfect for you. What people say. The fact that it works on both propane, 3 seasons, and butane, winter, is brilliant. Heat output is good as well as quality. Large enough to safely cook with medium-size pot or pan, yet small size for easy storage. Quick and easy lighting with a safe ignition built-in gas valve. Lightweight, super easy to use, stable, no matches or lighter needed. Perfect for car camping or emergencies. Really like you van use propane or butane. Number 1. Camping Stove Kit. It's made from high-quality stainless steel and copper, ensuring it can withstand high temperatures and resist oxidation and corrosion. The copper core is exceptionally resistant to deformation and melting, even under intense heat. 3 sturdy feet provide robust stability for various cookware sizes. The serrated stands increase friction, preventing slippage, and it can support up to 10 kilograms. With a powerful 3900 W output, it provides even heat distribution and fast boiling. The windshield design protects it from wind, improving efficiency and saving fuel. It features a convenient piezo ignition system and a flame control knob. Simply attach the canister, press the switch, and adjust the flame to your needs. It's compatible with butane-propane blend tanks, EN417 valve. Adapters are also included for 7 16-threaded monobutane and 1-pound propane tanks, offering great flexibility. Weighing under 1 pound and including a carrying case, it's lightweight and easily portable. It's perfect for camping, hiking, and backpacking. What we like. This stove is built with high-quality materials for durability and stability. The windproof design ensures efficient burning even in windy conditions. If you value durability and efficient cooking in various conditions, this is the stove for you, especially for windy camping locations. What people say. Good quality, compact size for camping, multiple adapters for different gas cans. Tested and works. Very powerful, even on the low settings. It has, however, got me through one devastating tornado and several hurricanes. One left me without power for weeks, and the fact that it has multiple fuel hookup options was fantastic, since you never know what you can get when a storm rolls through and all the stores are out of everything. I made coffee and meals every day for weeks on this thing. It comes with adapters for 3 different fuel sources. Perfect for the beach, the woods, the mountains, the road. It goes pretty much everywhere with me. Zero complaints, lots of use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.